My name is Randy Heckler. I'm an operations manager with Aggregate Management. The site that we're at operates under SW Barrick Sons. This is Laurel Hill, one of our newest quarries. We're processing sandstone for construction material supply, concrete supply, asphalt supply, regular old road construction. And in rinsing this material, it surprised us a little bit that the fines were pretty difficult to rinse off the stone. And the high volume of water that we were using to rinse those size products was going to our sand screw where we were making the manufactured sand. So we were battling the 200 while losing a lot of grit to the ponds. And that's when we made the phone call to McLanahan for a little bit of help in ways that we could recover some of what was going to the ponds and get our product in spec. So the McLanahan Scavenger System that we purchased consists of a sump, a slurry pump, and a cyclone with an underflow regulator, thus making it a separator. It's working fantastic. Honestly, we hit it right off the bat. Even day one, our samples were showing that we were saving 30–40% from what was going to the ponds, which upped our tons per hour on our sand product. With the asphalt sand, we're able to add 20 to 30 tons per hour back into the asphalt sand and still have an on-point gradation. Thus, we can reduce the operating hours significantly. It's almost like a 15 to 20% decrease in operating hours needed for the asphalt sand, and then adding the concrete sand, which we did not previously have. What I like about McLanahan is they were definitely here from the get-go. It was mostly people. You know, we've got a lot of equipment out here, and what really matters is people and support more than anything. We've learned that over the years. I've worked with McLanahan at least 3, 4, 5 different sites. I've worked with McLanahan equipment that is probably twice as old as I am and still there and still running. Been happy with it. It's reliable, and we would buy it again.